All right, so I'm in my viewer. I'm going to go ahead and click off that. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and put in a gallery. There's a couple of different ways that you can add images into the program, and so one way is through the point hots. There's an image hotspot. So if you come in and drag this guy out, right, you can actually add an image right there, and if you click on that, it will allow you to choose or upload an image, right? So if I choose or upload an image, it opens up my media library and I can upload an asset and go get an image and click open, right? And then you can just choose that file, just click on choose that file, and it will load it right there. And you can add a caption or a URL that it will link to, sort of the same setups that you had before. You can have the label, and I'll just click summer. You can try different themes. They have a theme pulled down here. I think there's only two. And then click save. And then if you go to the preview and take a look at this guy, it will open up that view up here. So that's one way. You'll just get like a view within the scene. Let me close that. The other way is there's this little gallery that you can use, and I like it as well. So it's actually in the plugins. So I'm just going to click on this little guy right here. I'm going to go to plugins, and you're going to see when you read through there's various different options. And you can come in and pick, where is the gallery? And you can try each one of these out. So I don't know why I couldn't see it. It's right here, but you can install this gallery. So it's like a little plugin that it installs. And once it's installed, it'll show you the installation down here, and you can configure it. So you configure these guys inside this little plugin. And when you click on it, you can come in here and start to tell it, it's very limited, but if you want to show it on start and then the theme gallery and display on all scenes, or you can just pick a selected scene. But I'm just going to add some photos. So again, it's going to sort of come in here and it's going to see this one, but if I wanted to upload more, I could go to upload asset, and I'll just pick the artificial and the winter as well and click those in, and it will upload those guys. Right, and so you can kind of come in and pick them. So I have, I'm just going to select them, and then you just choose the file, right? You could do select all for this one. So if you choose that file, it uploads those, right? And you see it in there, and you click save. And once you save it, those have been saved to the gallery. So if you want to preview it, you can come and preview it. Right, and you'll have this little toggle gallery down here, and it will show you the gallery, so you can flip, between the different galleries. So those are the two ways to put images in. And then if you ever want to adjust those, you just, let me close this guy out. You just come in and go back to the plugins, come down to the config, and I don't know what fancy is. Let's see what that is. Might as well. Let's preview it. So does it do something different? Oh, this does a larger version of it. So that's kind of nice. So you can just split through so the fancy is larger, really, which I kind of like. But so I'm going to go ahead and close this guy. So that's how you add images and sort of update.